Bright QT. Every student matters.
In this lecture, we will be discussing the important questions related to the sixth topic of this chapter, that was water pollution. So, first question is, what is water pollution, right? So, what are you going to write in it? Whenever harmful substances like sewage, toxic chemicals, silt, etc. are added to water, the water is said to be polluted, and these harmful substances which pollute the water are known as water pollutants. And this process where water is getting polluted is known as water pollution. Right? Next question. What kind of activities are responsible for water pollution? First of all, human activities. Human activities such as bathing, cleaning clothes and dishes, you can say, right? Then cooking. Then basically these are the major activities that are done on daily basis, that after doing these activities, the water becomes useless, you cannot use it further, right? Then second reason is increasing population, right? Third question, increasing industries. As we know, population is increasing, then due to population, industries are also increasing and they dispose their waste into water bodies, polluting the water bodies. Fourthly, we have agricultural activities. So these are the reasons due to which water is getting scarce and water is getting polluted. Next question. What are water pollutants? How are they released in water? Water pollutants, all the substances, harmful you can say, that pollute water are known as water pollutants, right? You will write in that. And how are they released in water? They are released from industries, from households, right? Then factories, power plants, then sewage, right? All these are contributing to the water pollution, right? So these were the important questions related to the sixth topic of this chapter. This is the seventh topic. Basically, in this lecture, we'll be discussing about the important questions of the seventh topic of this chapter. So let us start. The first question is, what is the present condition of River Ganga? River Ganga is in danger, right? As we studied, how is it in danger? It is due to increased population, increased industrialization, right? Now, what is the effect basically? Ganga is dead at many places due to high pollution levels, right? You have to explain what is happening in Kanpur city and how it originates from Gangotri until Bay of Bengal. It is completely polluted. Its water cannot be drunk. It is totally polluted and very dangerous for us, right? Toxic chemicals, human wastes, and sewage, all of these are directly disposed of into the rivers And in Kanpur, people also dispose dead bodies, idols of gods and goddesses. All of these are disposed directly into river, so condition of river is very bad. You will have to explain it in 3 marks, which requires all these points to be covered. Next question. What initiatives have been taken by our government to conserve river Ganga? First was Ganga Action Plan, which was launched in 1985, but it did not prove to be useful because Ganga was already beyond repair. Now, recently, NMCG has been launched, which is National Mission for Clean Ganga, which was launched in 2016, and we still do not have any updates about how it is working. We'll be hearing about it in the coming years, right? Now, what are the reasons of pollution of river Ganga? Reasons. There are many reasons. You will be explaining it in detail, taking industries, sewage, human activities, right? All of these you have to take in consideration, including the algae formation. Everything, basically, whatever you think that is leading to the pollution of river, whatever is adding toxic chemicals, you have to tell everything in this question. This is again a 3-mark question. Alright. Next question. Can groundwater also get affected due to toxic contaminants? Answer is yes. Here you have to talk about pesticides and weedicides, right? So what about them? These pesticides and weedicides are washed away with water. They seep into the ground and pollute groundwater, right? This is how groundwater is also polluted. Next question. How does polluted water affect human beings? How is it affecting human beings? First of all is if there is bacteria, virus, fungi and other parasites present in, and protozoa, basically many microorganisms are present in water, then they cause diseases like typhoid, cholera and jaundice, right? These are the direct effects of bacteria present in water due to toxic chemicals pollution, right? Then also, if human excreta is present in the water, then basically it can cause major infections to us. So this is how it is causing effects on human beings. So these were the important questions related to the 7th topic of this chapter. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the important questions related to the 8th topic of this chapter. And the first question is, can we drink any kind of water? No, we cannot drink any kind of water. Even the water that appears clean can still have microorganisms in it, which can only be seen with the help of microscopes. So, these microorganisms are bacteria, fungi, viruses. So we should always drink clean water, which is filtered water, right? It must be filtered. Alright. Next question is, what is potable water and how can it be obtained? Students, potable water is basically drinking water. The water that can be used for drinking is known as potable water. It can be obtained from 3 methods. First one being filtration, the filters that you use in your homes. Second one being boiling, because boiling kills the germs. Third being chlorination, as chlorine acts as a disinfectant. So these are the 3 methods with the help of which you can obtain potable water, right? These were the important questions for the 8th topic. In this lecture, we will be discussing the important questions related to the ninth topic of this chapter. The topic was what can be done regarding water pollution. So the first question is, what should be done to ensure the reduction of pollution of water? Basically, the industries must strictly follow the rule that they should not dispose of harmful toxic chemicals directly into the water. Water treatment plants must be installed near all industrial areas, right? Then another fact is that we should always control human activities, such as the activities that we were talking about when we discussed the city of Kanpur. Those human activities must be taken into account, and we must action accordingly. That humans must be educated about the wastage of water, about the pollution of water that they're doing, right? Next question, what steps can we take on individual basis? Here come the 3 R's, right? First of all, reduce, reuse, and recycle. We must reduce the usage of water. We must take care whenever we are using water that this water is precious to us, and we must reduce the excessive usage of water. Secondly, reuse. The water that has been utilized for washing vegetables or basically any other task that can be reused in your households must be reused in doing some other household tasks, right? Thirdly, recycle. The water that has been used for cleaning clothes or bathing, the water that has been disposed of from your households must be treated in water treatment plants, and it must be recycled to your home so that you can reuse it. So these are the steps that can be taken on individual basis, and these were the 2 important questions from the last topic.